This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kyla Haresco. Looking for the perfect pool home with plenty of room to entertain outdoors? This is it. This 3-bed 2-bath pool home with a split floor plan is perfect for those wanting to host pool parties after a day on the golf course, which is right outside your back door. When you walk in, you'll be greeted with high ceilings and skylights throughout the home. Sliders from the living room, primary bedroom, dining room and hall give you beautiful views of your pool and spa. Want to host pool parties? With more than 1,300 square feet of outdoor living space, it's almost as big as the house. The second bathroom doubles as a pool bath for your convenience. From your back lanai, you have great views of the Palms Golf Course, which is an 18-hole par 72 championship course. No need to worry about the roof, as it was replaced in 2022. For the beach lovers, this home is less than 20 minutes from Boca Grande and Englewood beaches. This property is what Florida living is all about. Make this one your forever home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kyla Haresco at 941-484-5816.